What's up, everybody? It's Mo again with QC Millennial Investment, and I'm so glad to bring you another YouTube video. And if you have been enjoying the content that I've already been sharing with you, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel. And if this is your first time joining today, thank you once again. But please do not forget to check out the other videos on this channel. The links will be down below. But for today, we're going to be going over some urgent updated news on the top 5 IPOs that I have already shared. Also, we're going to have some amazing Bitcoin news that I think that you should be in tune with. Now, let's get started. And first up on the list, we have Coinbase. And Coinbase was on my list of top 5 IPOs. And do not forget to check that video out. The link will be down below in the description. Now, I told you guys I would update you if there was any information that came out about Coinbase. And on February 28th, the SEC has published Coinbase's S1 filing, which is clearing the way for a direct listing. Now let's look at Coinbase's S1 filing form and see exactly what this looks like. And since Coinbase's inception, they have generated over $456 billion in trading volume, and they have over $90 billion in assets. Coinbase has also released that it is using Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Securities, and Citigroup to assist with certain aspects in their direct listing. They also have released some key numbers. As of December 31st, they have over 43 million verified users and 2.8 million active users monthly. And next up on my list that I wanted to give you an urgent update on is Roblox. And as I stated in my last video of top 5 IPOs, Roblox is a must-watch IPO for this year. Roblox has released some very urgent news today, and news that you do not want to miss. After delaying plans of going public, the video game company Roblox now says it will hold a direct listing of its shares on March 10th, a move that comes at a time of heightened demand for at-home entertainment and online social experiences. And as you may have heard me state, it's bypassing the traditional route of an initial public offering and going for direct listings for its shares. Also with this news, Roblox has released some updated company financials. They restated some financials due to material weakness. Their revenue was up slightly higher from $588 million up to about $614 million. They also have a revised net loss of $194.5 million, and that's down from the former stated $213 million. And next up on the list, we have Robinhood. And as I stated in the last video of top 5 IPOs, I wasn't sure where Robinhood stood with their initial public offering just because of all the backlash they received because of GameStop. Now, there has been some news that was released last week, and Robinhood could be filing the confidential IPO within weeks. Also, some important news related to Robinhood is that Robinhood shares in the private markets are surging and is slightly benefiting from headlines and mentions by politicians and celebrities. Robinhood last month added 3 million users alone. The company, which pioneered zero commission trading, is still seen as a main gateway for young investors to access this market, even after all the GameStop backlash, and is expected to go public later this year amid all the strong demand for fintech stocks such as Affirm and plenty more. And those are the 2 companies I wanted to give you updated information with regarding the IPOs. And one company that I did not get to talk about in my last video for top 5 IPOs is SoFi. And SoFi will be going public via SPAC IPOE. Ticker symbol IPOE is a SPAC ran by Mr. Chamath. Mr. Chamath has a very amazing track record in the SPAC world, recently taking Virgin Galactic public last year. Ticker symbol IPOE is currently down about 26% from its highs of almost $26 since SoFi recently signed a definitive agreement to go public with Mr. Chamath's SPAC. In this case, this is a buying dip for me. Now, let's take a deeper look into SoFi and the company's mission and what they're doing right now to change the next generation of finance.
So what is SoFi? SoFi is a different kind of finance company. Our goal is to help people get their money right by providing the tools to save, spend, earn, borrow, and invest, all in one app. And we've helped over 1 million SoFi members get on the path to financial success. We also know that success means different things to different people. From getting out of debt to having a safety net you can count on, SoFi is here to help.
And as you can see in the video, SoFi has been structured around 3 operating systems: the lending, technology platform, and financial services. Its lending arm constitutes 83% of its estimated 2021 fiscal year revenue, dealing with personal, home, and private student loans. Recently, they've also launched a credit card, which provides a 2% unlimited cashback for all their members. SoFi is on track to exceed 3 million members in 2021. That would be a year-over-year increase of 75% from last year. They also had a year-over-year increase from 2019 to 2020 of 74%, and a 95% year-over-year growth for their multi-product members. SoFi has also received some major backlash over the SoFi Stadium, the home of the Rams and the Chargers. They received major backlash over the price of branding rights, which was $30 million annually over the next 20 years. But the company has a $200 million annual marketing budget, so that only makes up 15% of that. With the SoFi Stadium holding the 2022 Super Bowl and the 2028 Olympics, that's going to bring a lot of brand recognition and eyes on SoFi in the coming years. And now, last but not least, I have some urgent Bitcoin news and urgent Bitcoin warnings that's flashing right in front of you right now. And to start off, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy just keep stacking Bitcoin. News released this morning that they added an additional $15 million worth of Bitcoin to their portfolio, bringing their Bitcoin portfolio to a whopping $4.3 billion after the latest buy. Some major Bitcoin news is also coming out on Yahoo Finance. Citigroup said that cryptocurrency could be at a tipping point of usage and could see an imminent breakout very soon. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin's price and price action at the time of this video. Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, has seen a 10% increase since its fall over the weekend to about 43,000. Bitcoin currently has a key resistance range between $48,400 and $49,200. And if we break out of this resistance range, we could see an upside price target range for Bitcoin in between $57,000 and $59,000 in the immediate near future. That would put Bitcoin back at its all-time high or even exceed it. And that is all I have for you all today. And if you have liked the content that I have shared, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel. And also, please do not forget that this content is only created for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own due diligence before you make any investments. I am not a financial advisor. As always, I love you all, and go out today and accomplish something great. And thank you for joining QC Millennial Investment.